Meaning of gash.
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 Gash. The word gash is a noun that refers to a long, deep cut or slash on the skin. It can also be used as a verb meaning to make such a cut or slash. The term is often used to describe injuries caused by sharp objects, such as knives or broken glass. Gashes are typically more severe than typical cuts and may require medical attention to prevent infection or promote healing. In some cases, stitches may be necessary to close the wound. A gash can cause pain, bleeding, and scarring if not treated properly.